Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to earn free BNB in Trust Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you just need to copy your BNB wallet address and get this website named FreeBNB.Go. Once done, paste the target wallet address and tap on the Start Mining button. Now, your account will be created automatically. After that, I will scroll down to show you my plan. You can see my balance in BNB, you can see my mining speed and also my daily profit. Now scroll down and you will be able to see the referral program. You can invite your friends and get 20% commission. After you do this, you can come to this withdraw section and then input the preferred amount. Then select the preferred method of choice and then you just need to click on withdraw and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can earn free BNB in Trust Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.